Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2020 Skoda Karoq SE. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 45 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 37,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic Quartz Grey and looks in good condition, 30 mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are in great condition there, nice and supportive too. And there's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you then have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has the automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Karoq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and the kids will also love the fold-away picnic tables there. As we open the tailgate, on the Karoq, you've got a really good sized boot there, which goes back quite a way, nice and square as well, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with these 17-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.